We're starting 10:30 a.m. with the story which is coming from Punjab, where the Congress had witnessed infighting within its party. So now they have come out with a novel way to deal with it. A depleting Congress seems to be taking the Bengal route in Punjab by making its leaders sign loyalty affidavits. The Congress leaders in Punjab have been asked to sign on affidavits confirming that they would not turn their backs to the party even if they are denied the chance to contest the 2017 general elections. The affidavit would comprise of details related to the caste and constituency of the MLAs. It would also intend to reveal reasons for any past resignations. Reactions coming in.
हम 2002 में जब कांग्रेस की सरकार बनी थी, उसके बाद 2007 और 2012 में जब भी कांग्रेस हारी, कांग्रेस को कांग्रेसियों ने हराया था, क्योंकि हर एक बार कोई ना कोई सीट पर कांग्रेस के विरुद्ध कांग्रेस का कैंडिडेट खड़ा हो जाता था। इस हल्फिया बयान लेने से हमारे यहाँ जो बागी खड़े होते हैं वो बंद हो जाएगा और कांग्रेस पार्टी एक ही कैंडिडेट होगा यहाँ पर और कांग्रेस पार्टी सभी सीटें आसानी से जीतेगी।
वो ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਵਾਈ ਹੈ। ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਗਾਵਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਨੈਚੁਰਲੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਸਖਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਨਿਪਟੂ। ਕਿਆ ਸਰ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਘਬਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਉਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਟਿਕਟ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ, ਬਾਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਚ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੇਖਭਾਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ। 150 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨਸ਼ਿਪਾਂ ਔਰ ਹੋਰ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ਼ਿਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ। ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰੂ, ਵਾਪਸ ਹਟੂ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਜਾਂ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ।
Well, this is the attested declaration that the Congress party wants its MLAs to sign. Look at this. The MLA will have to fill the age, address, and these are the conditions: that I am a permanent resident of the above noted address, I am a law-abiding person, I have never been convicted or punished, and I declare that I am in full agreement with the basic policies of Congress. I will follow and carry out principles and policies laid down or directions given from time to time by the International Congress. I will, after election, observe the rules framed by the party organization. Now, this is the undertaking that the Congress MLAs will have to give. Take a pledge that if I am not selected for any constituency on behalf of the Congress. This is an important point that I'd like my video journalist to show. I will not contest on any seat against any Congress candidate in this election and will fully support the official Congress candidate. Well, this seems to be an attempt to also prevent the MLAs from leaving the flock. We have Manjeet who's joining us on this story. Now, Manjeet, this seems that the Congress, which is very of 2012, what we had seen then, that how the Congress MLAs had contested against those with the official tickets, those who were denied the tickets. The MLAs who were earlier had fought elections from the Congress. When they were denied the tickets, they had gone ahead and contested against the Congress candidates in 2012. But will Congress succeed or will it ruffle more feathers in the flock?
Well, Devina, the Congress is eyeing power in Punjab and do not want to take any chances. And the present exercise is being done to control the rebellion in the party. All we know that the party has lost elections in 2012 due to the rebels. 22 ticket seekers had refused to accept the party's official candidate and had contested election as independents and had damaged party's prospects on many seats. Devina. But now the present pledge being asked from the candidate has also already sparked controversy, as many of the party leaders believe that this may spark rebellion and may create more candidates on various seats, and which will further weaken parties' prospects at various levels. Devina.
All right, Manjeet, but also tell us that this ploy of Congress, how far will it succeed this time?
Well, this is an exercise, Devina, to control the rebellion. The party wants to control the rebellion, and it is also assuring its ticket seekers that if they are not accommodated in the elections, if they do not get the tickets, they will be accommodated in future as the chairmen of the various boards and other offices, and they will be rewarded and they will be registered as per the availability of the post in future if the state government if the Congress forms a government in the state. So in nutshell, all this is being done to control the rebellion, as the party is worried about the rebels who had spoiled its prospects in 2012. Rebina.
Well, it's a loyalty contract that the Congress now wants from its leaders ahead of the Punjab polls, knowing very well the competition it faces from other parties which are out to poach candidates in their fold. Thanks so much, Manjeet, for joining us with that story.